Harlan Sanders, famously known as Colonel Sanders, was the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. His journey to success is one of the most inspiring stories of perseverance and determination. The struggles. Born in 1890, Sanders faced hardships from a young age. His father passed away when he was just 5, forcing him to take care of his siblings while his mother worked. Over the years, he worked as a farmhand, streetcar conductor, soldier, fireman, and even a lawyer, only to lose his job. In his 40s, he started a small restaurant at a gas station in Kentucky, serving his famous fried chicken. However, due to conflicts, he had to shut it down. Rejections and persistence. At the age of 65, when most people retire, Sanders decided to sell his fried chicken recipe to restaurants. He traveled across America, knocking on doors, facing over 1,000 rejections before one restaurant finally agreed to try his recipe. Slowly, word spread, and his recipe became a hit. The success, KFC grew rapidly, becoming one of the most famous fast food chains in the world. In 1964, at the age of 73, Colonel Sanders sold KFC for $2 million, equivalent to millions today, but he remained its brand ambassador. Lesson: never give up, no matter how many times you fail. Success has no age limit. Rejection is just a step towards achieving greatness. Colonel Sanders proved that success is possible at any stage in life if you have passion, persistence, and a belief in yourself.